guys, Larissa with BeCozi.com is here. BeCozi.com is an American website where we have a huge amount of chunky yarns, and we're making these videos to promote our yarns. And today I'm promoting our chunky chenille yarn and sparkly chenille yarn. We have both this one white colors. That's what we'll be using today to make this beautiful ghosts. We have sparkly white, we have regular white, and we have about 44 colors of regular solid colors, and we have about 6 or 8 colors of sparkly chenille yarn. You should check it out. We also have a huge amount of jumbo chenille yarn and variegated colors, mixed colors. So, but today we're making this beautiful ghost. You will need only one skein of our yarn, and you will need eyes. You can buy them on Amazon, or you can just use a piece of black yarn that you have at home, and a little piece of black regular yarn to make the mouse. And inside of this cute ghost is some stuffing. So if you don't have stuffing, you can just use one of your old pillows and use the stuffing from the pillow. So I would also like to show you this beautiful blanket that I made yesterday with our chunky chenille, variegated chunky chenille in Christmas gold. We are actually now looking for another name because we're selling this yarn year-round, and this is our cinnamon and oatmeal. So this beautiful variegated Christmas gold you can find on our website and create a blanket like that. Look how beautiful, full looking blanket. And so all this yarn is at BeCozi.com. But today we are making this cute ghost, just one skein of BeCozi chunky chenille or sparkly chenille, and probably about 20 minutes of your time. Let's get started.